sometimes the best food is an expensive one. Wow. Hello everyone, I'm Miao. Welcome to my video. $3, 20 yuan. What can you get from that? A cup of coffee? A slice of cake? What if I told you $3 can get you unlimited food in Beijing? Sounds impossible, right? But today I'm taking you to a tiny little eatery. It's my hidden eatery, my secret eatery. And only $3 you can eat all kinds of food, unlimited food. And this place isn't hidden away in a suburb. It's surrounded by the office buildings. So this is the very popular lunch spot for local workers and also the favorite neighborhood restaurant for the nearby residents. Of course, don't expect the fancy dining here, but they provide something much more authentic, the home taste Beijing dishes. And don't let the low price fool you. It's cheap doesn't mean it's not delicious. The place like this couldn't stay busy for years if people only came here for the price. But there's one catch. The unlimited food included one special rule. So what's the rule? I will show you later. So first, let's go to the eatery first. And I won't say it's a restaurant because it's really tiny, really small, and very easy to walk past. But trust me, it's my favorite hidden eatery. When I want to eat some stir-fried dish, I will come here. When I won't spend a lot of money.
你好。
哎，你好。
辣椒炒肉、辣子鸡、溜肉段儿，然后叉烧，还有猪脚饭。是哪一种？
要猪脚饭吧。
您的呢？你的猪脚。
You know the name of this restaurant is Trotter rice. So Trotter rice is their signature dish. Of course, I will order this one. Wow.
随时来加，我
好，
少放一点。
好嘞，好嘞，好，谢谢。
客气。饭不够的话，在饮料机那里可以自己添。
好嘞，谢谢。So let me tell you the rule. You can only order one meal dish. Other than that, all the soup, vegetables, and the side dishes and the drinks are all unlimited. I know what you are thinking right now. Only one meat dish for an all-you-can-eat buffet. You think it's a rip-off, right? But look at the meat here, the pig's trotter. You see the amount, and when I take you to their badges, you will be so surprised because the variety is insane. Let's go. You see, all kinds of homemade vegetable dishes. And this is the soup, the cucumber and the egg soup. I know maybe you are someone who will skip the vegetables in a buffet, right? And you think the vegetables only boring salads? No, Chinese vegetable magic will be surprised you. We have very flavorful dishes. See the spicy tofu. You know the side dishes, they are not some random fillers. That's the specific dishes you can order in a regular restaurant. So where each one can cost 40 to 50 yuan. But here, $3, 20 yuan. You eat all kinds of dishes. That's why I like this eatery. This is mushroom. And the potato. This This one is 炒饼, the stir-fried shredded pancake. It's a very typical northern food. Okay, let me try the trotters first. I saw the spicy here. Add some. That's the highlight of the trotter. You see now only 11 o'clock, so it's almost empty. Not a lot of people come here, but it's surrounded by the office buildings. At lunchtime, it's packed because it's very affordable, right? But let me try this trotter for you. Wow, see, very soft, braised pig trotter. It's a very famous dish in China. And with the spicy sauce. Perfectly braised, soft, glutinous. Wow, it's wonderful. Can you honestly believe this tender and complex dish only costs $3? You know what? I think this setup is perfect for me because one meat dish is more than enough for me. Then I can eat the vegetables as many as I want. It's good. And the free drinks, lemon tea. And you can refill the rice. If the juice, the broth is not enough, you can ask them to refill the broth. If you want more meat, you can spend another $3, 20 yuan, and to buy another meat dish. They have many options: the spicy chicken, the duck meat, and also the braised pork. 6 or 7 dishes, meat dishes. You can choose one, but the pig's trotter is their signature. I usually put it in the big bowl and mix them together. This is mapo doufu. I think all of you know this dish. If you are familiar with the Chinese dish, it's very famous. Same flavor when you eat this dish in the regular restaurant. It's good, it tastes very good. But all these dishes spend how much? Remember? $3. I can't believe it. Okay, now let's refill some rice and vegetables. See? Wow. My last meal was yesterday's lunch, so I'm so hungry now. One more new dish. You know this one? The eggs with tomatoes. That's a very home-tasted dish. I like this one a lot. More mushrooms. I don't like sprout. Vegetables. So, do you know what's this? Oh, sorry. And of course, the highlight. This is the sour cabbage. Yeah, I can add some as a pickle. The drinks. Oh, zero Coke. I don't know what this called in English. I like this one. I'm so full. so satisfied. And one more thing to eat, the soup. Let's go. It's very hot. Hello guys, I have a super exciting news for you. If you are planning a trip to Beijing and love exploring the real Chinese food, I just released my very own Beijing Food Guide PDF. I've put all my heart into compiling the best and most authentic local restaurant into one guide. You can grab your own copy through the link in the description below. It's a very common soup in Chinese dish. Sometimes the best food isn't expensive one. It's just the local people eat again and again. This little eatery may never appear in a travel guide, but it shows the everyday life in Beijing. What do you think about this little eatery? Do you think this kind of restaurant will work in your country? Or do people expect the unlimited meat dish in a buffet? You can tell me in the comment. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's see you in my next video. Bye bye.